So ayun na mga ka-sports, panalo ang ating Gilas Women kontra Singapore. 21-19 ang score, muntikan pang matalo. Pero despite ng ganitong score nila mga ka-sports, no, lumaban ng patas ang Singapore despite na maliliit sila pero napaka-aggressive. Halika tingnan natin mga ka-sports ang iilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
Running into trouble is taken away by the Gilas and quickly cleared. Bernardino to Cacho. Cacho with ISO. Driving hard, left. Cacho will. Seen her on the national team. 7 international caps. It's lucky that Bernardino can hold on to it. She goods and slopes up. We'll find a cutting Bernardino. In 3x3 at least. They've seen it 5-on-5. Both of them star. Cacho inside. De La Rosa. De La Rosa again. More of a defender in a De La Rosa. She could be in line for an attempt there. Bernardino speeds in to get it cleared. De La Rosa. De La Rosa. That will count. Layup will finally. Jermaine will line up a 2-ball block. Wanted a foul. Won't get that instead. After a defensive breakdown from Singapore, Fano. Layup around and down. Now a 12-10 game. Cacho. Turning left, spinning right. And it will. Oh, man. Now Philippines still leading by 2, and they're going to go back down inside. And Cacho spinning. Slowing down. Not. Almost single-handedly gotten Singapore back in this game. Bernardino going to the jab step. Bernardino, beautiful spin. Here are your leading scorers. Bernardino on the baseline. Let's roll with a minute 15 to 8 points. They have not been able to do anything with her. A chance inside. It'll go. After the Han score, De La Rosa will muscle it. It's turned into a game. They double team De La Rosa to no avail. It's back with a 21-19 win over.
So yun nga mga ka-sports, no, ang ganda ng kanilang laruan, no. Sa tingin nyo ano pang kulang ng ating Gilas Women? I-comment nyo lang po sa baba at babasahin ko yan. Like, share, and subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan, and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!